Alright guys, I don't have my usual setup, so I don't have my helmet and the camera isn't attached to the helmet. But as I was walking up this street, I heard the bells ringing non-stop, and now they've stopped. How you doing?
Hi, are you here for a tour?
Actually, I'm just wondering why the bells are tolling.
So every Saturday, there's a group that gathers that are trained to ring the bells at the Memorial Bell Tower. So that's not part of Old Chib Meeting House. It's a separate bell tower that was put up by the town to commemorate the original founders, the English settlers of the town. And they have an organized group that gets trained to ring the bells. So every
Nice.
Saturday they do that.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Sounds really great. I could hear it all the way down
Yeah,
in,
it's
you
really
know, in the
wonderful.
square.
And they have these different melodies that they don't call them melodies, they call them charts or something. But yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what they're doing.
All right. Thank you very much. All right, so the last time I did a video on this property here, this bench wasn't here. So today it's open. It's open on Saturday.
There you go.
How you doing? Can you go up?
I'm not sure. I think they're just finishing practice work.
They're just finishing?
I believe so. Looking by the sign, it's just coming up on 11. So.
Okay.
There you go.
Let's see if I can go up. How you doing? Are you just finishing?
Yeah, we are.
Oh, okay. Is there any way you can come up and just see the bell?
You can go up and ask.
Okay. You coming down?
Yeah, come on up.
Okay.
Come on up. And, yeah, we're just ready to stop, so, you can check with the guys up there.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
Sure.
So where is it? Up here?
Yeah,
Oh,
come on up.
wow.
Yeah.
Excellent. Thank you.
My brother and sister-in-law live right down the street. Oh, good. My daughter's wife. Oh, I that house.
How you doing?
Super busy. Yeah, not being alone. Hello.
Did you guys just finish?
Yeah.
Sounded great.
Oh, did it?
I could hear it all the way down to the square.
Oh, that's nice.
Sounded very strong. I thought there was a wedding going on. That's what I thought when I first heard them, because usually you just hear it, you know, when the bell, like the time.
Right. Yeah.
Does it ring?
blows on 10 o'clock.
Okay, so, wow, so you three were doing this?
No, there were 6 of us.
Okay, so each one of you had what, 2 in your hand?
No, one only. These are huge bells.
Okay, so,
Pulling on one rope.
oh, one rope.
They range from about 500 pounds to 2,300 pounds. So
Whoa,
they're big bells.
wow.
The biggest one is about as tall as I am.
So, are the bells up where these stairs lead?
Two stories up.
Is it okay to go up there and just get a shot of the bells?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. All right, thank you very much.
Just don't hit your head.
Okay. All right, so we're going up there?
Yeah.
All right.
You want me to take them?
You have a place to be or?
Wow.
Plus, I still live on that.
I hit it on the bell. I hit it on the concrete every game.
It's so fun.
I have a,
Most of the time, it's a couple times that I've learned it.
yeah. I have my,
Okay.
That's just not up.
Awesome. Wow.
So the bells are up here.
Okay.
When you go up, I mean, you're probably not going to get up all the way, but the first bell is literally right there.
Okay.
You got to, when you're going up, you got to make sure you don't hit your head on the concrete,
All right.
and then when you get to the top, make sure you watch your head on the bell.
All right. Very good. Thank you. Okay, so here's the first bell right here. That's what it looks like. They were pulling on the ropes to make the bells chime. The windows are just so beautiful.
Well, I mean, the bearings on the bells were just redone, so they're all rehummed. So there's new headstocks, new bearings on the bells. The bells were originally installed in 1912, I believe. So they were over 100 years old, and they were finally replaced. We did that. We got just put on new ropes, so they're actually easier to operate right now. As a result of the new bearings, because they're ball bearings compared to old sintered brass bearings. So it's great. I enjoy ringing a lot. It's a lot of fun.
Yeah, it's a good workout. And what's your name?
My name is Sean.
Sean, nice to meet you. I heard it ringing. I thought, there's definitely got to be a wedding or something going on, right?
Well, they're called change bells. So they actually, instead of just swinging in an arc, they actually swing in 360 degrees. So what that means is because you have that full range, you can actually change the position of the bell. So, and instead of just going in chronological order, you can change the positions, which allows you to ring a lot of different methods. Meaning, you're constantly pulling to change the position of the bells, and that's what a method involves.
Right. Now, can you actually play a song?
It's not a song per se, it's
Yeah.
called a method. So
Oh,
if
okay.
you know the method and you know what's supposed to be happening, then you can hear it. But songs as we think of songs like on the radio, no, we
Yeah,
can't do that.
like Mary Had a Little Lamb.
No, you
Yeah.
could maybe you could do something like that as long
Yeah.
as you got the right notes. These do have notes to them, but
Okay.
I don't remember what they are.
Very interesting.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, that fan should be turning right now. I'm like sweating like crazy.
Oh, we're getting ready to leave, so
Yeah.
it's,
Well, thank you very much.
no
All
problem.
right, appreciate it. That's going down.
Like it?
It's really a well-built structure up there. Like
Oh,
you can
remarkable.
feel, just walking up the stairs, you can feel the sturdiness
Yeah.
of everything. I
Yeah.
mean, these ropes are,
Is that like a little camera?
yeah, it's a GoPro.
Oh,
It's a GoPro camera. Let's see.
I didn't go up that
Get a
far.
shot of that.
Well, yeah.
All right. Well, good job. You guys did an
Thank you.
amazing job. Sounded beautiful.
That was fun.
All right. See you later. Thank you.
See you, thanks for stopping in.
All right. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Excellent. Wow, it's nice and cool here. Why,
Yeah.
why is that? Just because the heat rises?
No, there was a bunch of us in that one room.
Oh,
I think,
okay.
basically.
Yeah, wow. Really excellent.
Give you a, these are the inscriptions on the
Oh,
bells.
thank you very much.
Yeah, each bell has an inscription that came from England.
Wow,
I
impressive.
mentioned that all the bells came from England.
Is that right? Wow.
Cast by the same foundry that did the Liberty Bell and Big Ben.
And who was that?
Whitechapel Bell Foundry.
Wow. Impressive.
Which after 500 years closed.
For real estate reasons.
It's too bad.
I'll say.
All right, you guys.
Hey, good luck in New York.
Thank you very much.
All right, you're welcome.
Appreciate you giving me the tour.
Oh, you're welcome.
All right, awesome.
Take care.
All right. All right, guys. So we just went in to check out the memorial bells here in Hingham, Massachusetts. if you decide to stop at Peel Pizza to get a slice, make sure it's right when they're opening, because that's when the pizza is the freshest, when they're taking it directly out of the oven. If it sits, the crust gets hard, it just isn't the same. It just doesn't taste the same. It's excellent right out of the oven. All right, sometimes they have a special of the day. Today they had ham and pineapple. I went with the cheese. Okay, the cheese is excellent. You know, you couldn't go wrong with any topping, you know, that you desire. It's all good, guys. All right, thanks for watching.
Like,
This is it. He's a year and 3 weeks old.
how much does he weigh?
So
He
cute.
weighs, whoop, say hello, whoop.
He's
He
so
weighs
cute.
5 pounds.
All right, see
He's
you later.
5 pounds.